Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be finishing up a project I started the other day within another video. I had too many things going on, so I figured I'd break them up. In the other video I was working on, I had a really dated ceramic bunny that I found at the thrift store. I painted it. I believe it's Krylon Espresso Gloss Paint. I painted the bunny and I loved it so much it actually looked like real chocolate that I decided to take a stab at painting up these really cheapy eggs. These were from the dollar store. This is the before. It's all yellow. Like I said, real cheap plastic. So what I did was take regular painter's tape. I taped it all off, the parts that I want to maybe paint with acrylic and give it color. So anyway, here's where I've left off. I'm going to peel off the painter's tape and hopefully it all comes off easily. I have a love-hate relationship with painter's tape. So this appears to be doing a decent job. What I'm doing now is attempting to add color. I used my acrylic paint. Actually, I tested an area and there's no way this is going to stick. It just was not what I need to use on this. So I went and grabbed cheapy nail polish that I have. I have pink, hot pink, and like a purple. So I'm going to test on the bottom to see how well this sticks to it. But I think that probably is going to be a decent enough option. Coverage wise, oh yeah, I think that's going to work. I think that's going to work. So I'm going to continue with this. Like I said, I'm going to do the bottom first and see how it goes. And if it might need a couple coats. This is nice that it has the built-in brush because it's making things a lot easier. Because I can get right to the edge of that chocolate part without going over. So hopefully you can see on the camera. Let me get a close up without goofing up. Might have to do a second coat or go over and like touch up. But I think that's going to cover all right. Yeah, I'm going to continue with that. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry. Sometimes when you're an artist, you have to think outside the box. And no, this is not marketed to be paint for crafts, but why not? Okay, so here's what I have so far. I have both halves. They're probably a little bit tacky yet. I'm not jumping for joy over them. I feel like they need something else. So maybe to add some dimension, I'll put some pink on there on the part with the ribbon, and then maybe some purple on the flowers. It's missing something I haven't figured out quite yet. But still, I think nicer than that. But the end game is to make it look like it's actually chocolate. So far, like I said, just kind of lackluster. And I just realized I didn't paint the other half of this. This ribbon's right here too. So I have more painting to do. I must be getting tired. I missed that. So I'm going to continue with the hot pink on the two sides I totally forgot about. And then I'll continue with that lighter pink to kind of give it just a little change up. It's just not right yet. I'm just going to attempt to paint some of that pink to give like the bow a little bit more contrast because it's needing something. Okay, so I'm trying to give a little bit of color to these flowers on top. So I have purple And I'm just kind of painting those. And I think what I'll do, I have white acrylic paint. I think I'll do the centers. Kind of like the iridescent look of this. I think it still needs more. I'm not quite sure what. Maybe a couple more layers of that purple. Getting there. So you can go like that. Take my acrylic paint now. I'm all done painting. Here's the before and here's the after. I think it actually looks really pretty cute, nestled inside of a basket with grass. I think it looks like a really nice chocolate Easter egg. So I hope this inspired you to do a project, either this one or one of your own. I hope you like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care.